Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Remember, before we go further, our content here is only for educational purposes, and of course, we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss the main stock for today. XPON jumping 177%. Great hunt, my brother Dexter. Doing great here. 28%, not bad on this rate that we spotted early on in the pre-market. We got SNOA trying IVB the same. Tier Y pulling back toward a nice bottom. We got some news with Tier Y. We got really good news. Tier Y brand reconfirm strategy to regain Nasdaq compliance. Okay, so we got a huge pullback, 12% for Tier Y. AI the same. What a nice jump for AI yesterday. What the? We got a nice breakout here. Yeah, we did a really good breakout, almost 8% for AI. CGC the same, pulled back down. We have a pullback for cannabis stocks. TLS, we got TNXP, TZUP. SMCI pulling back. What's going on, guys? Many stocks pulling back. I think we got Fed meeting maybe now. That's why everything is pulling back. Are we having Fed meeting right now? Because everything's pulling back, guys. Bitcoin went to all-time high, then flushed. Ethereum the same. Yeah, we have a huge pullback for Ethereum. And now we have a bit of reversal. XRP pulling back. Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin. Bitcoin went to all-time high, guys, and now is pulling back. We have the 124. Yeah, now holding the 117 support. Wolf, TRIP, good morning, everybody. Let me know, guys, are we having some kind of Fed meeting or something? Because the market is reacting strangely right now. Yeah, we got a bit of pullback. PPI numbers bad, inflation. Interesting, Tariq. Yeah, George, thank you for the reminder. CBI, yes, weren't that good. Thank you for the reminder. That's why we have a huge pullback for the markets. This is understandable. Yeah, this is normal that we have this kind of pullback now. But Ethereum, yes, almost hit our resistance. We got then 400 or 4900 or 4900, a level that we should watch out for. What's going on here? So we got a bit of panic selling for cryptos. Yeah, huge selling pressure. I think is yeah, we got a big seller here, guys. A big humongous seller, 5%. We might have another dip. Yeah, around the 4,000. Anyway, okay, guys, we got a few minutes left at the market open. Let us see XPON, nothing much, is holding a major gain here. It's better to take a bit of profit on this trade. Yeah, a bit of profit here because we might have a pullback at the market open. Yeah, XPON 184%. Yeah, we might have a little pullback at the market open. We have 2 minutes left at the market open for XPON. One of the stock that we discussed early on our Discord. Dexter already took his profit on this one. Really good profit on XPON. And I think we should take a bit of profit as well before the market open because it's a bit risky play. Let's see if we could hold the market open here. SNOA is holding, IVB, tier Y is reversing. We got MNDY, D, nothing much. Cisco pulling back. Watch out for Cisco, guys. Have earnings yesterday. It might go up again. Okay, the market is open. Unity is pulling back up. Plug the same. Ethereum is holding here. XPON is pulling back a bit. Yeah, Cisco yeah, had earnings yesterday, even though it was green, we didn't go up. SMCI pulling back. Watch out, guys. If we have another pullback, I will watch for the 43 and $40. The same for D. Had earnings yesterday. It pushed back up in a pre-market. It reversed nicely, almost 5%, and now it's pulling back again. Currently, yes, holding over the 470. LLY is pulling back down a bit. Yeah, Cisco is fighting. XPON jumping up again. Watch out, guys. XPON. It held over the $3.53, which is the current support. Now it's bouncing up once again toward the 450. Be careful, guys. This is by far the ultimate resistance, because if we don't break it, means we're gonna go down 400 or $4.50. SNOA broke the support, so be careful. We might have a pullback around the $4.44. A major seller came around the 650. That's why we put him back. IVB testing the bottom, guys, around the $1. Bottom has been tested exactly now. Tier Y started to reverse from the bottom, $1.06. ATNF is still flushing down. TNXB, not bad, guys. For TNXB, jumping to test the 69.98. Guys, we have to discuss something really important about Binance. It's been a while last time I traded Bitcoin. I have a lot of position on some altcoin. And guess what? Lately I checked, I tried to sell my position, and Binance did really something shady. And they tell me there's suspicious activity in my account, which is kind of weird because I didn't trade, I just hold. And they told me you can't sell any your position because there's suspicious activity. So I feel something shady, guys, on Binance. I feel something shady. Like if you don't buy and sell and you don't do anything and you just hold, they will make an excuse that you are, I don't know, you are a villain or you are bad in order to take your coins or something, because I didn't trade this year on Binance. So just in case, guys, the best safest thing is to hold your coins in the cold version, not on any platform. Is kind of shady. You don't trust. I don't trust a platform like crypto platform anymore. Even Binance is number one, but you see, sometimes they make an excuse that you can even buy or sell or take your money out. So be careful, guys, and let me know if you had this kind of scenario before, or if you actually have this kind of thing happening to you, guys. AERT, very low float. I don't trust it. Have a great news. I will check it. AERT. No, it's good. Why you say is low float? Yeah, it's really interesting. It's still good, for my opinion. It might go up, but just watch out for the $1, which is the psychological level that we should hold. But technically and fundamentally, it look really interesting for 160 and maybe almost the $2 for today. XPON pulled back, guys, didn't break the resistance, so be careful. Now we might pull back toward the 269. SNOA pulling back up. IVB is pulling back down. WBTN and TNXB not for today. Tier Y, I think it might be halted, guys. Let's check the stock that's been halted. No, Tier Y is not halted, but just weak. MB, we got stock called MB is halted on the Nasdaq. We have two MB, one on the Nasdaq, one on the European market. Yeah, it's halted down. I'm gonna check another thing here. I'm gonna check the top gainers for today. Tribe and Wolf. Someone asked about Wolf and Tribe. Yeah, wolf, no good. Maybe the other wolf. Yeah, we have another two wolf. Yeah, this wolf is good, man. Really good. Yeah, this one is good, guys. Wolf is good. Is about to break the 770. And that one, I think it had the reverse split lately. So it might be interesting to trade as well. Yeah, it almost hit the resistance here. Well, $2.25. Pull back from there. Now it's trying to go up. AERT, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list because pull back now. XPON reversing up a bit. The same for SNOA. IVB holding the bottom, guys, over the $1. So it might be good for a reversal here. And tier Y is pulling back a bit. MNDY pulling back. D pulling back. Cisco is going up. Yes, we have a roller coaster ride for Cisco here. Yeah, a roller coaster ride. If you don't know, Cisco had earnings yesterday, guys. That's why it's jumping up. BSLK. I think I took it from the list because pulled back a lot. Yeah, pulled back a lot. I would be interested if it went toward a 670, but for now it might pull back because it hit the resistance around the $9. So I will pass on BSLK and keep watching this one because it look way better. Wolf Tribe is pulling back after hitting the resistance here. Yeah, SNOA started to jump, guys. Now we got the level 2 hit and break around almost the $8. Yeah, SNOA is halted down, man. Just halted down. Not good reaction, guys. Got halted down in critical situation here. AMD again jumped in the unusual fashion. Really unpredictable AMD. NDY power bass, the same for Cisco. So I'm gonna keep D here on the list to trade. 451 could be a really interesting level. So we have 451, 435. Yes. Now we have to wait for another dip here. Wolf is currently holding and bounced from the 675. XPON still looking great. I think XPON should be number one right now. Yeah, after that we have Wolf. So XPON is reversing up toward the 450. $4.50, not 400. So far so good for XPON. So far so good. Okay, we got a bit of reversal. A little bit of reversal for Ethereum. We have a little bit of panic. But yeah, XPON trying to break the current resistance, which is a turning point for my opinion here. As a reminder, guys, always we update our stocks on our Discord first. Early on, we traded XPON. Dexter already took his profit on this trade early on because it was really good in pre-market. And yesterday, yes, we did the mini stocks update for our hunters. We did for TRY before this pullback, for BSLK, and of course for many other stocks. And we do even swing trade stocks. We did the last time for plug to buy the dip around the 135 because we have earnings. We got bros. as well have earnings which jumped from the 60 and went to over around the 70. So always those updates, we do it first on our Discord. So if you're wondering how to join, is easy. The link in comment section below, or just put it right there on the live chat section to our Patreon. And once you join over there, you can have access to our Discord. And if you are one of our members and you don't have access to Discord, please let me know. Send me a message on Patreon. I will send you the invite link. XPON is about to squeeze. Yes, sir. But yeah, $4.50 is the squeeze, man. Good afternoon, John. See you a bit after the live, man. 30 minutes after we finish our live streaming. See you, man. We'll do, and we'll fix your Patreon problem for sure. So see you after we finish our live streaming, John. I already sent you the link by email. So see you exactly after 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes from now. Blah. John, today unicorn, we got XPON, which already hit our resistance here and profit taken. So it's better to exit, not to enter, and wait for this dip around the $2.60 and the $1.94 for entry and exit. If we held the 259 and broke the 450, yeah, XBON could be the today 500% or more stock, because it's gonna go toward the 550, 680, and 850, and maybe even the $10. After that, we have Wolf, have a support around the 675, bottom 612, and resistance right now is the 765 to go toward the 840. Tribe is going down toward the 137. If we held, it could be really good for a reversal and go at least around this major resistance right now around 196, and after that we might go toward the 243 and $3.30. SNOA, it is unhalted right now, but a bit dangerous. We need to break the current resistance around 665 to go toward 4 or 741, then the 823. Otherwise, we're gonna go down toward the $4.44. TRY, guys, is squeezing up like no tomorrow. Unusual jump, to be honest. I didn't expect this jump for TRY. It's kind of teasing, really teasing. It pulled back, then jumped up. I think CGC is doing the same right now. No, CGC, yeah, it didn't go on the green side yet. But yeah, unusual buying pressure for TRY, to be honest. I didn't expect this reversal to happen in just few minutes. So there's manipulation going on with this stock, man. There is a lot of manipulation. So it is too risky to enter around this breakout. So I will leave it for now to see if we could hold this pump. So far, so good. I'm gonna add another support here just in case. Yeah, TRY is going, man. I think we got some news. I think the news that did really good is TRY reconfirmed strategy to regain Nasdaq compliance. This is a huge for this stock. Yeah, huge, guys. This is a huge. TRY doing all right. Yeah, it's pulling back a bit. XPON. No, XPON, it is independent. $3.80 right now. Yeah, and it is undecided. That exactly, man. The reason is we got pressure, a lot of pressure here around the 450 because we got big seller guys. We went almost 25% at the market open. So this is understandable why it didn't break or go higher right now. We have a lot of sellers and people taking profit on it right now. So this is completely normal. Anyway, we're gonna do a major updates for XPON, Wolf, Tribe, SNOA, and TRY later on, guys. Those the main unicorn for today. That looking promising for Hunt later on. I'm gonna do update for you guys on Discord and Patreon, so join us over there. The link in comment section below. In meantime, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, and see you all by tomorrow. Of course, 30 minutes before the market open. 30 minutes before the market open daily. So if you're new, you know, you know. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow.